Jangan lupa like dan subscribe dan share.
Hai adik-adik, jumpa lagi bersama kami channel YouTube Playing Together. Ayo bermain dan belajar bersama kami. Wow, di sini ada banyak sekali ya pembelajaran adik-adik. Kita coba belajar tentang sains. Siapa mau? Oke, tapi jangan lupa like, subscribe, and share ya semua video kakak di channel YouTube ini, Playing Together GS. Oke, tak menunggu lama, kita mulai saja adik-adik. Let's go, kita belajar tentang science. Oke, kita coba yang human making sound.
Humans making sounds.
Human making sound. Humans are incredibly talented when it comes to making sound. We use our voice to communicate and express ourselves. Here are some common sounds that humans make. Laughter is one of the most joyful sounds a human can make. It's a sign of happiness. This sound spreads good feeling. Crying is a sound of distress or sadness. From a young age, babies use crying to communicate their need. The sound of singing is another human sound. People can use their voices to create melodies and harmonies. Whispering is a soft, gentle sound humans make when they want to speak quietly. People can whisper when they are sharing secrets or when they need to be quiet. Screaming or yelling is a loud sound that humans make. We yell when we are scared, angry, or excited, or when we want to get someone's attention from a distance. The sound of talking is perhaps the most important sound that humans make. Through talking, we share our thoughts, ideas, and feelings. Every sound we make tells about how we are feeling or what we are thinking. Next time you hear a human sound, take a moment to consider what it might be saying. Ya, seperti itu ya adik-adik. Jadi kita belajar tentang suara manusia, mulai dari suara sedih, suara berpikir, yang whispering gitu, yang bisik-bisik. Lalu ada suara yang yelling atau suara yang seperti orang marah gitu ya adik-adik. Itu adalah pengetahuan tentang suara manusia. Oke adik-adik, setelah kita membaca science, kita mau membaca apa lagi ya? Kita coba yang sosial. Oke, Learn to Dress by Rhyme Book. Learn to dress, okay? When the sun rises high in the sky, it's time to wake up and dress up. Before we go out to play and run, let's choose the clothes and have fun. First, we start with cozy socks, slipping them on. No time for knocks. Then we put on our pants, nice and neat, from waist to feet. Look at the shirt, so colorful and bright, buttoned all the way up. What a sight! And here comes the sweater, warm and soft, perfect for a day that's a little cold. Now it's time for shoes, left and right, tying the lace very tight. And don't forget the hat, First, just right, protecting us from the bright sunlight. Dress up fun, all ready to go, looking our best from head to toe. Now we're dressed, feeling so fine, ready for a day that is truly defined. Oke adik-adik, itu adalah cara kita berpakaian ya adik-adik, mulai dari bawah sampai atas atau dari atas sampai bawah, head to toe. Oke adik-adik, setelah kita belajar sains, kita belajar sosial, coba kita belajar ke art. Oke, ini adalah learn to verb draw rhyme book. Once upon a sunny day, a little girl went out to play. She took her crayons, colorful and bright, and found a spot with the perfect light. Drawing, drawing with every stroke, creating art, a beautiful clock. She drew a flower, petals so fine, with vibrant color like sunshine. She drew a puppy, wagging its tail, capturing its playful spirit without fail. She drew a tree, tall and grand, with branches reaching like a hand. Drawing, drawing with each design, she let her imagination intertwine. In a quiet corner, with paper and pen, a boy sat down, ready to draw and begin. He held his pencil with an artistic flair, writing lines and shapes with utmost care. Drawing, drawing with a focused gaze, bringing imagination to life in intricate way. Drawing is the verb we love to do, expressing ourselves, our feeling through. So grab a pencil, paper, and more. Let your imagination freely soar. Drawing is a simple verb. You see, a world of art. Just wait and see. Oke adik-adik, siapa yang di sini suka menggambar dan mewarnai seperti Diandra? Pasti banyak ya adik-adik yang suka menggambar dan mewarnai. Oke adik-adik, terima kasih sudah menonton untuk video kali ini. Sekian dulu ya, jangan lupa like, subscribe, and share ya semua video kakak di channel YouTube ini, Playing Together GS. Oke, thank you for watching and goodbye. We love you all.